Hi guys, my name is Chris and welcome to my channel.
Okay guys, as you know, we always try something new for the channel for you guys to enjoy. So let me show you what we've got from
Heligunz.com. That's where we are. He came and purchased himself one of these Kral arms. It's the Mortal X model, and hopefully he's going to have a great time shooting it. And yes, up to you, my friend.
Okay, so guys, if you want good service, you know where to come.
Guys, yes, as you can see, brand new shirts due to the reason Huntex is coming up. So we made nice t-shirts, everything with the sponsors and everything. Mortal X 22 caliber. I fitted my scope from my Snow Peak. What's nice about it, it's got a foldable tactical stock already on, same as the Snow Peak. Decent grip. Also 2 places for your magazines. That is numbered, as you guys can probably see. They're numbered, so you can count your shots and everything. And what I really like about a gun is that your magazines is always with you. Little power adjustment screw for high and low power. Nice lever action. Decent safety. Also a little bit grip that you get extra. And I just fitted the Yokozuna Donny FL silencer, and guys, let me tell you, this thing is quiet. So let's quickly show you what we've been up to. As you can see, the man cave is still busy, but there's a lot of upgrades and everything, a few more coming. And as you know, we're always busy doing something new for the channel. Yes, as you know, we've got a little competition. Me and pelletgun.com got a competition for you guys, subscribers, just to show you that we appreciate everything you guys do for us and for your support. So I mentioned that there's a few clues. If you haven't checked the video before this for the rules, you have to be at Huntex the 26th of April. Gotta find me around noon. The guy that finds me closest to noon at a certain spot that follow 4 easy clues and show me he's a subscriber will win 1,000 rand, and also another prize is going to get given away. So please guys, support my channel, support pelletgun.com, and check us out at Huntex. Keep safe guys, and God bless.